We have our technical experts as always with us, Nooresh Merani as well as Kunal Bothra. Nooresh, let's begin with you. Last week was a pretty decent one. We managed to hit a record high level led by those PSU banking names. What do you think is in store for us this week?
So the trend remains positive. Overall, a little bit of a pause could be okay for a day or two, given that we have a curtailed weekend this week out here. But the trend is 19,800 now becomes a base, and 20,500 becomes an upside on the Nifty. On the bank Nifty, we are setting up for a move towards 47,000 and crossing 46,300. 45,700, 45,800 should now become a base. So overall, a slow and steady uptrend should continue over along the major indices. The broader markets have made a feeble recovery relatively, but the trend is still positive over there. But it would get more selective on the broader markets. We would not see a say a rally which has been all across or very secular. So we could get more selective on the broader markets, but the large caps look interesting.
All right, let's connect with Kunal Bothra as well, who's joining us in our studios. And Kunal, it was pretty much a stellar week for the equity markets. PSUs as well proved their might. Do you believe that the resilience is here to stay?
Well, the resilience is here to stay and sustain, and I think the index to watch out for it would be Bank Nifty, because we flagged off the data on previous week that there's been a massive short covering for the Bank Nifty, something which we've not seen at least over the last 3-4 months. And given the tonality of the banking stocks, the private sector banks making a comeback, PSU stocks on the banking side making a very strong comeback from their 2022 highs, many of them showing returns of more than 30-40% so far this in the last couple of months, indicates that this momentum is here to stay, sustain, as well as grow strong for the banking index. And I think with more short covering, which could be in due for the banking stocks, we could probably be getting into a very strong range of outperformance for the Bank Nifty. So I think the Nifty is a bit subdued when you look at it in terms of the price comparison with respect to the Bank Nifty. I think that's where one should be focusing on, specifically if you're an index trader.
Okay.